Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dryer and it's giving you an E6 error and you're wondering, what is this error and is there anything I can do to get rid of it? So first of all, the E6 error is when the electronic control unit is faulty or there's something wrong with it. So it's either going to need to be reprogrammed or replaced. So I have one thing to try before doing that, which I'll talk about in a minute. But first the bad news, which is this is really the kind of thing that you need to have done by a professional that knows what they're doing. And there's not really a home fix for this error. Unless it's a random error that's being popped up, like sometimes just like a computer will start to bug. These machines can throw up some random errors sometimes, and you can get rid of them just by doing a hard restart. And to do that, all you need to do is turn the machine off and then disconnect it from power completely for a full minute. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Once it's been off for a minute, disconnected for a minute, you can plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if it doesn't clear that error out. And if it doesn't, again, at that point, you're going to need to have a professional take a look at it. But anyways, hope this video at least helped you figure out what's going on with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.